Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win. Hi everyone, welcome back to the refrigerator. Today I'd like to congratulate Kevin for winning our raffle from last Friday. If you did not win this week, that's okay, because on May 29th we are going to have one more raffle to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and a sketch pad. So keep sending in your drawings. Every drawing will get you an entry into the raffle. Congratulations, Kevin. Today's story I have for you is a Mo Willems story called A Big Guy Took My Ball, and it's starring Elephant and Piggy. A big guy took my ball. Gerald! I found a big ball and it was so fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball. I am so upset. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What makes those big guys think they are so big? Their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from that big guy. My hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I am smaller than he is. Much smaller. He is so biggy, big. Gerald! You did not get my big ball back, did you? I did not. Excuse me. Thank you for finding my little ball. That is your ball? And you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. With a little help, we can all have big fun. The end. There's Pigeon. All right, my friends, get out your pencils. We are going to draw a whale. Right. To draw our whale, we are going to use some letter shapes to really get our whale down. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to draw a C shape. Just like that. Now we are going to draw an oval starting right here. That's going to be the whale's fin. Coming out from our oval, we're going to draw a curved line up. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to draw kind of a J shape laying on its side, and we're going to leave a little bit of space in between the top of our C shape and our laying down J. So just a little space, and you're going to draw kind of a J laying down. I'm going to make this line a little bit longer. Now I'm going to draw an upside down 3 or a heart shape, just like that. That's our whale's tail. I'm going to give my whale an eye. And a smile. I'm also going to give him a little eyebrow. This is our whale's blowhole, so we're going to put a little circle here. It's pretty cute, huh? I'm going to draw some water because he lives in the ocean. You can draw some waves if you'd like. Great. And I'm going to add some detail. I'm going to add a little bit of fish just swimming around my whale. And you can draw whatever you want, maybe a shark. That'd be cool. I'm going to get out my marker and I'm going to do my tracing. Great. I'm going to color my whale like blue and gray. I'm also going to color my sky with a crayon because I'm going to paint my water with my watercolors. All right, I'm going to get out my watercolors and color my water. All right, there's my whale. I hope you had a good time on today's Refrigerator. We'll see you again next time. Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win.